Hey, this will be a video chart on AGRT. What we're looking at here is a 60-minute chart. Just wanted to do this because the daily chart really only has 2 days worth of trading, so I figure from the technical perspective, the best way to look at this and the easiest way to kind of see what's going on from the charting standpoint is just to look at the 60 minutes. So I'm not sure what's going on. Lots of rumors floating around there that this may be a next big promotion, blah, blah, blah. I have no idea. Your guess is as good as mine. So the only thing to keep an eye on is the chart, and that'll kind of guide us in terms of what exactly is going on. So far, I mean, it's definitely got liquidity. It's made, a nice move. So from that perspective, maybe there is something to it, but at the end of the day, maybe not. So all they can really do is, keep up with the map, or the chart, as I like to call it, because that's pretty much how I use them. So what I want to do is just map out a couple support levels and resistance levels, and then we'll kind of use those, going on the rest of this week to see what happens, and that should answer the majority of the questions that I've gotten on this. So really, there's two interesting support levels that I'm going to be keeping an eye on. The first one being right down here at this point, and we'll just call this 48 cents. So we'll change this to green for support. The reason for this is if you look back through the history, you can see that it acted as a resistance here for quite a while, and then when the price did get above it, it made a pretty nice move. But a more intriguing level, if I can use that word, is right down here at that point right there. We had a high right here on this big volume bar of 40 cents, and then this low, when it back tested it, came right back down to it. So a great example of a resistance turning into a support. But this really seems like kind of the make or break level, if you will. If this is a true promotion or a true longer term type play, then I don't think 40 should have any problem holding. Now, crazier things have happened, but like I said, from my opinion, this will be kind of the make it or break it level. If the price comes down here and holds and hovers around here, then I could very well see it chugging back upwards. But if the price comes down here and it's just absolutely crashing, then maybe this is just a quick little play and it's already over. So these will be the two levels I'm watching in terms of resistance levels. Pretty straightforward. Just looking at these previous highs, we'll call it, what was the high there, was 64.5, so we'll just call it 65 cents being the current level of resistance. So that'll be the level that you want to watch for you breakout players and so forth. In terms of the current pullback right now, from a volume perspective, that's exactly, or it's acting exactly the way you would want to see it. Price pulling back, volume is much less than on the breakout days, so that's a good sign from that perspective. But at the end of the day, it's just going to be interesting to see how the price reacts if it does come down and test these levels of support. But if it keeps pulling back on low volume, then it'll stay on my watch list, and we'll see what happens this week and going into next week. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We're making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this is AGRT. Thanks for listening.